Alright, so it turns out I can't turn my camera around while I'm recording. So yeah, just want to show you guys a little bit of what I get myself into every day. This situation's not all that bad, but because I've done it a few times, but still, for an amputee, makes for a good day. Check this out. So I'm up on this roof. I got this unit to work on, this unit to work on right here. My van is way over there on that black ladder. You see, start seeing my van. Right? Probably see it. Well, at least my work van. And then that black square at the end of the building, that's the roof access. So to get on this section, I got this big old huge drop right here, about 6 feet or so. So there's only a couple ways to get up here or get down, which is either on that ledge right there or right here on this thing. So I'll show you how I get up and down all this shit. Oh.